If you're a human being who shows up to a public place with your music playing on your phone through speakerphone, and it's even a remotely quiet area, pound sand. Nobody wants to listen to your music. We don't want to hear what you like to listen to. If I'm at a restaurant and I have some jackass 2 tables over with their music blasting out of their phone, I'm ready to blast their phone out the fucking door. If you're going to be the kind of parent who does the whole, we take our kids out to eat, but we're going to have 6 iPads at the table, I don't want to hear your kid playing FIFA or playing whatever NBA game is on there or playing whatever shooter's on there or playing like Tower Defense or Plants vs. Zombies, whatever shit you're letting your kids play. I don't want to listen to it. All right? That's not a hot take. That's a what the hell is wrong with humanity take. Okay? It's very simple. Have a little bit of common courtesy. Pop in a pair of AirPods. Pop in a pair of headphones. Some headphones are really cheap. I don't have the headphones port on my phone. Get the dongle. Go find a Chinese-made dongle on Amazon. Buy that. Shove it in your phone. Shove the headphones in. Listen to it yourself. We don't need to hear it.